Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm always excited to be here to continue to talk to you about American bill money, aka ABM. Hey, let's face it, you already have residual bills. So you just need residual income, right? To be able to offset those residual bills that continue to come in month after month. Well, I have great news today, because this proven system can help you. And it can help you to bring in hundreds, even thousands every week. It has the potential to do that. Now, as an income claim, I can't make any income claims, promises or guarantees of income, and nobody can do that. But we do have a proven system that has been working for years and will continue to work for many more years without you having to speak to anybody. You don't have to do any telling, selling, or explaining. The system does all of that for you. The company will even close your sales for you. This is automated. This is rejection free. And the best part is you get to earn 100% in Fast Start bonuses paid out to you every single Friday. I'd love to share this with you, and I'd love to share the details with you, because we can definitely help you. And I can help you. I've been with American Bill Money now since 2017. Love everything about it, and I know that you will too, especially if you're looking for something simple, something that is affordable, duplicatable, and scalable all the way. Best direct mail order opportunity on the planet, bar none. So all you have to do to get the details is just come here. This is a form, okay? So you just want to enter your first name, a good valid email address, and it would be beneficial if you did put a phone number in here, your cell phone, because this is going to enable you to experience firsthand the power of the follow-up messages. The company has a state-of-the-art follow-up system all the way: text, email, and voicemail. Follow-ups definitely increase conversions. Tremendously. You've heard the money's in the list and the fortune is in the follow-up, okay? So here's my ID right here, 5990. So just make sure when you do sign up that you do see my name and or my ID, 5990. Everyone that joins will be assigned their own unique ID number, and that's how the company tracks you for your commissions, okay? And then just click here. Yes, send me the details. So again, this is a form. It does work. So just go ahead and enter your first name, a good valid email, and a good phone number would be beneficial. And this is USA only, okay? So with that being said, once you do that and you click send me the details, you are going to simply be redirected right over here, folks. And you're going to be invited to join America's #1 residual income system, where you have the potential, where you have the realistic opportunity and realistic potential to be earning $1,500 in profit every month or more. And that's by only referring 5 customers. 5 $50 customers who go out there and do the exact same thing through 3 levels. Unlimited income potential exists with American Bill Money, okay? So $50 per referral, Fast Start bonuses paid weekly, no limits, okay? Plus $10 monthly for everyone on 3 levels. That becomes your residual, okay? So you have the potential to get weekly checks and monthly residual checks, as well as earn up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades. ABM does have a high-ticket postcard program called Money Order Freedom. So if you'd like to get some details on that, just reach out to me and I will happily share the details with you, okay? So what you want to do is drop down here and be watching this very first video. After you do that from beginning to end, please don't take any shortcuts. Watch it. It's incredible. Everything, by the way, has been updated, upgraded, state of the art for 2025. It's all current. Websites, videos, you name it, folks. All the marketing resources and marketing materials, folks. It is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. So you're definitely in the right place at the right time if you're looking for something simple, affordable, and if you love direct mail order marketing. Postcard marketing, folks. You're in the right place, okay? So you'll watch the video, then you're going to pop over here and you're going to dial into the sizzle number. You'll listen to this, and between the video and the sizzle call, everything will be fully explained, okay? Here's the wonderful highlights of the program. 100% fast start bonuses for each and every referral that you make, either through your website or through a postcard. However, your website will be on the postcard. So you can do this through online using this website, social media. You can send traffic to your website, folks, or you can just simply mail out the flyers, the postcards, or you can use the post-it notes, you can use the drop cards. There's so many different ways that you can advertise, folks. Offline, magazines, newspapers, really no limitations, okay? You don't need a computer, you don't need any special skills. There's no learning curves. Super simple for everybody. If you can mail a postcard, what I tell people is if you can mail a postcard, you can do this and you can make money. You order your postcards from the company. They ship them directly to you, to your residence, okay? To your front door. Number 2, order your leads on pill and stick labels. Number 3, order your postcard postage stamps, okay? And then when you receive the postcard order, unbox it. Take out your postcards. You can do this right from your kitchen table. Flip them over on the back. Apply a pill and stick lead label in the appropriate area, which I will show you. And then in the top right-hand corner of the postcard, your postcard stamp. And then just simply drop them in any mailbox. You can either take them out to your own mailbox, folks. So you can literally be doing all of this without ever having to leave home. Okay? So, just wanted to share that with you, folks. This is easy peasy. You're going to love it. There's no telling, selling, or explaining. It's rejection-free all the way, and you can even remain anonymous if you so desire, okay? All you need to do, your primary tasks, are going to be to either mail or distribute the postcards, the full-color postcards, post-it notes, drop cards, or flyers in your spare time. It doesn't take very much time at all, but you want to obviously commit to the process and be consistent. Do what you can every single week for the best results to build, grow, and scale your American Bill Money opportunity. Company handles all the follow-up, which is wonderful. Again, they have a state-of-the-art, top, premier follow-up system. Whether it's 1 or 1,000 plus, they'll do everything. New AI Assistant provides details and answers any questions prospects have 24/7, and nobody else does that. Follow-up system alone should get you excited and ready to take action, okay? Because remember, folks, that's where the fortune is, in the follow-up. Number 1 asset is going to be your email list. You'll be able to build that, and the company will take care of following up for you, okay? Everyone essentially that comes through your system is going to enter their details, and then they'll be getting added to your list, and then the company will be able to take over and do all the follow-up. Alrighty. So we have that taken care of. Company's been around since 2003. System is the best shot. This system is your best shot at financial freedom. Okay? And you can get started today. $50 gets you in the door and gets you started. Okay? Click here and you'll complete an online form. Here's all the wonderful highlights, benefits. Simple, proven system. Yes, it's simple. Yes, it's been proven. Yes, it works if you work it. Okay? Unlimited income potential. Paid out millions since 2003. They've been in business over 23 years. Truly have withstood the test of time. 24/7 marketing system. They literally do 90% of the work for you to make your life a whole lot easier and give you time freedom in the process. They'll accept all major debit and credit cards and checks and money orders too to get yourself started with your $50. They close all the sales for you. They do all the follow-up, products and services to help you build your income anonymously. You never have to speak to anybody, so no worries, no stress, rejection free. A+ rating with the BBB, Better Business Bureau, and fast start bonuses. You earn and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, first month on all referrals, and you can earn up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades. Okay, you can upgrade at any time that you wish. So here's everything right here, folks, for illustrative purposes only. You can play around with this. You can see samples of what is possible, what is achievable when you take massive action. And remember, unfortunately, nothing will ever happen, nothing will ever change unless you are willing to make the change and take the action needed and necessary for great things to be coming your way too, folks, and for change to begin. All right? but it certainly can when you join American Bill Money. All right. So play around with the calculator, calculate your earning potential here. Okay, get excited, take action, get started. When should you get started? Today. There's never been a better time, folks. This is the time, this is the place, and this is the season, folks. This is the best time of year to be getting started in a home-based business like American Bill Money. It truly, truly is, okay? Holidays are coming. Everyone needs extra holiday cash, and then you're going to be more than adequately prepared to begin a brand new year, 2026, with an amazing award-winning business. Here's exactly what your $50 starter subscription is going to include. You can review all this information right here. Again, click here to get started. Here's the postcard samples, the post-it note samples, the drop card samples, and the flyers. The best. These are truly the best, folks. They've all been updated, upgraded. Look at this. 100% Fast Start bonuses paid out every Friday. The recorded number that you can call right here. Text, your ID is going to be here, and somebody can text those 4 digits to this number and get information. There's the website, and then all you have to do is plug in the ID at the end. Okay, very, very easy. The link to my website is down below, folks. Contact details are below. If you have any questions, you text me or call me. I'd be more than happy to speak to you, folks. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, I just want to show you this real quickly. Okay, so we're going to drop down here, and we are going to go to this. Look at this beautiful postcard. Let me just size this down 1. Okay. Let me just size this down 1. Okay, so we will click on it, and we will go right here. Okay, and you can check these out. Okay, at your leisure. Look at these. These are absolutely beautiful, stunning postcards. Double-sided, full color. They have all the information on the back. All the information's on the back, folks. Look at this. And this is exactly where you put your pill and stick lead label and your postcard postage stamp at the top, okay? Everything has been fully updated and revised. Earn $50 per referral, no limits, paid weekly without speaking to anybody. Here's the recorded number. Okay, there's the website. You just put your ID there at the end. Somebody can text it to this number here, plus $10 every month for everybody on 3 levels. That's residual. This is just some sample, what's possible, the potential that exists for illustrative purposes only, and this is by referring 5 customers at $50 each, going through 3 levels. We up the game a little wee bit, and we go to a dozen, 12. Look at the potential here, folks, if you just get a 12. Over time, folks, over time, everything is possible, okay? You take this serious, you treat it like a real business, and it has the potential to pay you like a real business. And yes, you can even upgrade if you so wish, okay? Through the Money Order Freedom, which is the high-ticket postcard program, also owned and backed by American Bill Money, okay? So we have everything here that you need, folks. Okay, ABM pays a sponsor 100% of the initial $50 spent to start. No computer skills, special skills needed. Super simple, folks. This is as easy as it gets. Again, all you do is just either mail or distribute invitation drop cards, flyers, postcards in your spare time. Interested people, they're going to come and take a look, believe me, and then the company's going to handle all the questions and sales for you on your behalf. System truly unbeatable. Nothing like it out there, folks. Nothing like it. State of the art all the way. Your best shot at financial freedom. The financial freedom that you desire, crave, and above all, deserve. Okay, remember that. So you're going to want to just take your time and go through this, and just review everything. Here's the flyer right here. You can check this out. We got the drop cards. We got the post-it notes. Everything's here for you, okay? Here's the sizes. Alrighty. And there's my ID, 5990. $50 to get started. Check out these reviews. You're definitely going to want to do that. There's wonderful, wonderful testimonials here, okay? And these are audio, so you can just simply click on the little play right here, the arrow, and tune in, folks. Tons and tons of testimonials, all right? You can rewatch the video if you would like to, and just get started, okay? Let me just show you this real quickly once again, okay? So to do that, you're just going to simply drop on down to the very, very bottom here to get started, okay? Right here, click on the blue and white button, and there it is. Everything that your $50 starter monthly subscription includes, and you'll just go through this in order online, all right? You'll see my name here, Marybeth Angelelli, 5990. Very easy. Any questions, please call me. incomedoubled.com/5990. That's my website, okay? So what you will do is you will simply go to https://incomedoubled.com/5990. That link's going to be below. You might need to type it into your browser. You might need to retype it if it's not clickable for whatever reason. And then voila, this page is going to pull up. Enter your first name. Okay, this is a form. You can clearly see that. This is going to allow you to do that. See, I put my first name, a good valid email address, okay, and a good cell phone, a good valid cell phone. That way you can take advantage of the follow-ups and truly experience those wonderful follow-ups, state-of-the-art follow-up system all the way firsthand. You're going to absolutely love this. It doesn't get any easier. This by far is the easiest way to start earning extra income without ever having to leave your home, folks, in your spare time. It doesn't require very much time at all, but you do need to be willing to commit and stay consistent for the best results, okay? Keep mailing out every single week. Come online, share it, folks. You can use print media, you can use newspapers, you can use magazines, you can buy clicks, whatever you want to do, folks, okay? So there it is. In conclusion, I would love to welcome another new team member to my ABM team, okay, who just recently joined, and the company will send these out to you, okay, Kimberly. So welcome aboard, Kimberly. Thank you for joining. You're definitely in the right place at the right time. I know you're super excited. You know how to reach me if you have any questions or need any assistance whatsoever going forward as you begin your journey with American Bill Money. Welcome aboard again, Kimberly, okay? So here we go. This came to me, and here is another Fast Start bonus check from Kimberly for $50. There you go, folks. There you go. Okay. So with that being said, folks, we are going to call this a wrap, and all my contact details are listed below. Thank you so much. See you soon on the next American Bill Money video. Bye for now.